Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Thunderbird tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to make Thunderbird your default mail program. This is actually quite simple. And we don't even have to go into Thunderbird to do this because we make this setting in Windows. To do this, we go to the search and enter default. Windows now suggests the default apps and I click on them. The first item suggested is the mail program and we can see that Outlook is currently my default mail app. If I click on it, I can select various programs from a list and here I also find Thunderbird. Here I click on Thunderbird and I have already set it as my default mail program. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!